What do you want?
With this. With this.
You're a mess.
I made this.
You made a mess with your donut.
Oh no, with this.
You're gonna wipe it on me? Thank you. That's so nice.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Natalie. Where's my coffee? Where's Mama's coffee? Hey. I'm just gonna drink some of this yummy coffee.
Look good. It's scary.
Yummy coffee.
Oh.
Don't rip up my napkin.
Hey, come back here.
Yeah, come back here.
Rip.
What's this?
Hey, good.
It's good. Do you want some coffee?
Okay. Yummy wishes.
Yummy delicious?
Delicious. Delicious.
Delicious.
Excuse me.
Lovely. All done coffee.